Let's see it.
You want to see it? All right.
Let's flush this bitch.
Yeah, let's get this fucker on here. I just want to go on record as my bum-ass son-in-law is nowhere to be found. And this ain't my boat. You hear me? Huh? You hear me, Kyle?
Oh, I hear you.
Okay, bro.
Okay, I didn't know if you were talking to me or
No,
him.
I'm talking to you.
Okay.
I would be talking to him. I mean, I had to raise the Titanic from the bottom of the Mississippi. All right, here we go. Water's on. All right, now, again, if I'm any kind of mechanic, this fucker will fire right up because I've been working on it all damn day. All right, here we go. What do you think? What's the odds it's going to fire up?
I'm gonna, well, I don't know. I guess all I can say is 50-50. Either it will or it won't.
Brother, man, I'm a mechanic, dude. It's 100%.
All right, I'll give you 99.9.
Man, it's a 100. Let's see what I got. What do we got?
Boom.